Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to stop Windows 10 from automatically terminating applications when shutting down. So you may notice that there's a lot of programs you have open when you're shutting down your computer, and Windows may have a tendency to shut it down without asking if you want to properly save and close out of any of those such applications before shutting down. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to require Windows to wait and not allow it to terminate applications. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. And we're going to start by opening up the start menu, type in regedit. So you want to type in regedit. Best result should go back to registry editor. You want to right click on this and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. Now, before you proceed in the registry, I would suggest you create a backup of it, so if anything went wrong, you could easily restore it back. And in order to create the backup, it is very simple. You would just left click on the File tab and then select Export. File name, I'd recommend naming it the date in which you are making the backup. Export range should be kept to all, and then save it to a convenient location on your computer or external media source. It's fine with me, whatever you prefer. And once you're done with that, if you ever need to import it back in, you just would left click on File and then Import and navigate to the file location on your computer. So again, very straightforward. And now we're ready to begin. So we're going to start by double clicking on the HKey local machine folder. So go double click on that. Do the same thing for the software folder. Same thing for policies. So go double click on that. Should be a Microsoft folder under here. Double click on that. And now it should be a Windows folder. Again, double click. And now finally there should be a system folder. Just left click on that one time. If you need to pause the video and take note of our file path that we browse to, you can see it up at the top of the registry editor screen right here. So now on the right panel, you want to right click in a blank area, select new, and then select the word 32-bit value. You want to name this value allow blocking apps at shutdown. Each word should be capitalized and no spaces in between any of these words either. You want to make sure you spell it exactly how it appears on my screen. Hit enter on your keyboard. And you want to double click on this value. Set the value data to 1, so if there's a 0 in here, delete the 0, type in numerical value 1, make sure base is hexadecimal, select OK. At this point you can close out of the registry editor, restart your computer, and the changes should take effect. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.